Good morning, everybody. Welcome to this first workshop on environmental monitoring and remediation. My name is Maria José Esplandiu, a co-organizing of this event together with Neus Bastús that is at my side. And unfortunately, the other organizer, Jessica Ramírez, is in Mexico, but we say hello to her from here. So it's a big pleasure that you can share with us this event, especially for the people that are at home or at work online. It's a pity that you cannot enjoy this magnificent place, a modernist place, and I hope that we can repeat another time this event, and that you can have the opportunity to share with us another workshop on this environmental remediation and monitoring. So today we have the director of our institute, the Institute of Catalan Nanoscience and Nanotechnology, Pablo Ordejón, that he will give us a short introduction on the Severo Ochoa grant, that is, you know, the funding that has allowed to prepare this first workshop. And so it's a big pleasure that he can come with us to give this introduction. And I think that is your floor. Thank you very much for coming to this event.
Just to thank all of you, all the speakers and all the assistants to come to this workshop. And I hope you find it interesting and we can just enhance some nice and future collaboration. Thank you very much for your assistance.
Okay, so good morning. So welcome to this first workshop on environment and monitoring and remediation. It's really a pity, like Maria José was saying, that we are not able to do it fully presentially. We were hoping that the pandemic would have been easy on us by this time, but things are getting worse. So let's take the best of it and use the experience we have been gathering for almost 2 years already of doing things online and have this event mainly online. So I would like just to remind you, or let you know if you don't know about it, what is the Severo Ochoa Award that gives the name to this workshop. So the Severo Ochoa is a distinction and a monetary grant from the Spanish Ministry that aims to fund and accredit public research centers in any area of knowledge that demonstrate scientific leadership on a global level, but also real impact on society and economy in the local level. So the Severo Ochoa Centers of Excellence are research structures which are highly competitive and strategic research programs in the frontier of knowledge and are among the best of the work in their respective areas. There are currently 28 centers which are recognized as Severo Ochoa in Spain. And the award is really very interesting and very attractive, as it brings, of course, recognition and prestige to the center, but it also provides significant funding, and funding which is very flexible. It's funding that you can use for things which you cannot commonly use in standard projects or in structural funding of the institutes. It has very few strings attached. It's very flexible. So it can fund activities which are, again, can hardly be funded by other means. So ICN2 obtained the first Severo Ochoa accreditation in 2014. That was renewed 4 years later. And right now we are in the process of preparing the application for the next renewal that will take place for the next 4 years. And it has really helped us very much to produce excellent science, but also to do things, again, that are not able to do with other funding. During this period, we have given a very strong push to our innovation activities. And in particular, we have filed more than 30 new patents. We have created 8 spin-off companies. Most of them participated and co-owned by the Institute. And we have several products launched in the market, actually. So these are very relevant results for an institution which is relatively small like us. We only have like 115, 160 researchers, including postdocs and students. So we are relatively small. And also the Severo Ochoa Award has enabled us to leverage other funding. So we have been able to multiply the effect of the Severo Ochoa funds by co-funds programs or further programs that allow us to buy new equipment, attract talent, bring new people to the Institute. Actually, we have brought 4 new groups co-funded by Severo Ochoa during this time. So it's been really very interesting for us, very important. So the driving scientific idea of our Severo Ochoa Award has been to develop solutions for societal challenges. Solutions which are, of course, based on what we do, which is nanoscience and nanotechnology. And in the topic of the workshop, environment is one of the 4 topics that we have defined as societal challenges that we can address with nanoscience, together with energy, health, and information and communication technologies. So environment is, of course, one of the main challenges that mankind is facing in this century. It is recognized as such, but most of the relevant international and national agents. And most importantly, the United Nations in the list of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals addresses environment as a key part in many of these challenges, and in particular in challenge number 6, which is clear water and sanitation, which is one of the main topics of this workshop. So these societal challenges defined by the United Nations are starting to permeate and to communicate to society, and now many of the funding agencies are structuring their programs according to these global challenges, which is also what Spain is doing and what we are following with our Severo Ochoa. So the goal of this workshop is to analyze how nanotechnology and nanoscience can impact and can provide solutions to this topic, and topics involving pollutant detection, monitoring, scavenging, and degradation. But also the workshop focus on how can nanoscience not become a problem in the area of environment. How can we make sure that our nanomaterials and nanoproducts do not pollute the environment, they are clean, and they don't have an impact on the ecosystem. So with that, I finish. I would like to thank again the organizing committee, Neus, Maria José, and Jessica, who is not here today, and also the local and the external speakers, both from the academia and the industry. I think the industry is key in this area. The research we do in the academia can only have an impact if the companies, the industry, takes that into their products and incorporate that into an offer, and that commercial offer. So I want to thank the present and the contribution. Thank you all of you for being here, and those who are not here at home or at work. And I hope that those who are here can enjoy Barcelona in the next couple of days. So thank you very much.